Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're looking at the Bella 10-speed Flip Store Countertop Blender and the Bella 2-slice Slim Toaster. These two kitchen essentials promise compact design and big performance, and we're about to see if they live up to their claims. First, let's take a quick look at what you're getting. The Bella 2-slice Slim Toaster comes with a 10-inch slot, designed to accommodate even thick breads and bagels. It offers 6 shade settings, ensuring your toast is exactly how you like it, whether you prefer lightly golden or dark and crispy. Meanwhile, the Bella Flip Store Blender features a 450-watt motor and boasts a 48-ounce capacity pitcher. It's made to handle everything from crushing ice to blending fruits, making it ideal for everything from smoothies to soups. Both appliances are designed with convenience in mind, promising easy cleanup and space-saving storage. The toaster has a removable crumb tray, while the blender has dishwasher-safe parts. Both are part of Bella's Fits Anywhere kitchenware collection, offering a sleek and compact design that will fit into even the smallest kitchens. Let's talk real-world usage. Setting up the Bella 2-slice toaster is a breeze. It doesn't take up much space on the counter, and with its wide slots, it's able to fit a variety of breads and bagels without any hassle. The 6 shade settings give you plenty of control over how dark or light your toast comes out, and the toaster does a great job of evenly browning everything. It's quick, efficient, and easy to use. One of the biggest selling points is its slim profile, making it ideal for smaller kitchens or for anyone looking to maximize counter space. That said, if you're after a toaster with more than 2 slices, this might not be the best option for larger families or for those who entertain frequently. Moving on to the Bella Flip Store Blender, this one is definitely a powerhouse in disguise. The 450-watt motor may not be the highest powered out there, but it's surprisingly effective for its compact size. I put it to the test with a few ice cubes, frozen berries, and a couple of handfuls of spinach. The results? Smooth, consistent blending with no chunky bits. The 10-speed settings give you plenty of flexibility depending on what you're making, whether it's a smoothie, a puree, or something a little more adventurous. However, it did struggle a bit with some tougher ingredients, like carrots, so if you're looking to blend hard vegetables regularly, it might not be your best bet. Now let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Bella 2-slice toaster is incredibly compact. If you have limited counter space, this is definitely a game changer. The 6 shade settings are also great, offering a wide range of toasting options. The Bella Flip Store Blender is similarly compact and powerful for its size, handling most blending tasks with ease, and it's easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts. The space-saving design is another big plus, as both appliances don't take up too much room on the counter. But no product is without its flaws. For the toaster, while the 10-inch slots are great, you're still limited to 2 slices of toast. This could be a deal breaker if you often toast more than 2 slices at once. As for the blender, while the 450-watt motor performs well for most tasks, it's not as powerful as some other blenders in the same price range. It can struggle with tougher ingredients, and if you're planning to make large batches of smoothies or soups, you might find the 48-ounce pitcher a little on the small side. When it comes to value for money, both of these appliances offer solid performance without the hefty price tag. The Bella 2-slice Slim Toaster is a perfect option for smaller kitchens or anyone looking for a compact, efficient toaster without any unnecessary bells and whistles. At its price, it competes well with other basic toasters, though it may not offer the versatility needed by larger households. The Bella Flip Store Blender, similarly, provides good value, offering a decent blend of power and convenience for the price. Compared to other blenders in this price range, it performs admirably, though higher-end blenders may offer more power and versatility. Now let's look at some alternatives. If you're considering other blenders in this range, you might want to check out the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender. It offers a similar price point, but with a more powerful 700-watt motor, which might be better for those looking to blend tougher ingredients. As for toasters, the Cuisinart 2-slice Classic Toaster offers more settings and a more traditional design, though it's slightly bulkier. When it comes to build quality, both products feel solid. The toaster has a sturdy feel, and the removable crumb tray is a nice touch for easy cleanup. The blender is made from durable plastic, and while it's not the heaviest, it does seem built to last. Bella's reputation for compact and efficient kitchen appliances shines through here, but as with all budget-friendly appliances, the long-term durability is something that remains to be seen. In terms of customer support, I haven't had any direct interactions with Bella's customer service for these particular products, but based on the brand's reputation for customer satisfaction, I'd expect standard service if you ever needed it. Bella generally offers helpful support through their website and customer service channels, but it's worth noting that these types of appliances don't usually require much in the way of ongoing support once they're up and running. To wrap things up, the Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster and Flip Store Blender both deliver solid performance with their compact design and user-friendly features. While they're perfect for smaller kitchens or individuals who don't need all the bells and whistles of higher-end models, they do come with a few limitations, such as the 2-slice capacity of the toaster and the blender's slightly underwhelming motor. If you're looking for something affordable, space-saving, and reliable for everyday use, this combo is worth considering. However, if you need more power or functionality, there are alternatives that may suit your needs better. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave them in the comments below. You can also find the product link in the comments box. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. Until next time, this is Reviews Inside TV, signing off, where we always keep it real, one review at a time.